Here I got LG Q60 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select General, so it's the very last tab, scroll down and pick date and time. And here you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off by tapping on set automatically to switch it off. And now just pick date and time manually by yourself. So let's go back and time to 2060. And also you can personalize your time zone. Just click on time zone and then select the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, your LG provides you with all possible time zones, and let me choose, for example, Broken Hill. And then you can also change the format of your clock. You can use either 24-hour format clock or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. And that's basically all, so you can smoothly and easily change date and time in your device. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.